Hi, I'm Ashmi and welcome to my channel Honey Chilli Stories. First of all, I want to wish you a very happy new year. So this is my first video that I'm shooting this year. It's a little late, I know, but there's a reason because in the first week of Jan I got my booster shot and that really hit me. I was bedridden for I think 2 days and then it got a little tricky to get into the flow. But now I'm all pumped and excited to shoot the videos and make more content for you. So without any further ado, let's start this video. I started my YouTube channel in the March of 2020 and this year I will complete 2 years of this YouTube journey and I've gained some knowledge about how this YouTube business works and I wanted to make this video for people like me who want to change their careers. Like I was a software engineer for 6 years and I've totally changed my career path and now I am a full-time content creator. I create videos on YouTube and I recently started my blog as well. So it's a new thing for me. I'm still learning how to write blog posts and everything. But yeah, this is my main career now and I'm absolutely loving it. So I really wanted to make this video for those people who want to start their YouTube journey as well in this year of 2022. So in this video, I want to share some important points with you which will help you to grow your YouTube channel, and also I want to share some mistakes which I did and you can completely avoid them and grow your channel even faster. So without any extra talking now, let's get into the points. First point is having the right mindset. Now it is really important that you have passion for this field. Now I want to tell you how I got into YouTube. So as I told you before, I was working as a software engineer for 6 years, but by the 4th year I realized that this corporate world is not for me. I did not enjoy it that much, and during my free time I always used to watch videos of different YouTubers who used to travel the world or cook food recipes and do some storytelling. Like all those things really gave me joy and I always imagined that I want to do that myself one day. So I did not start YouTube out of the blue. Like it was in my mind for 2-3 years before I took this step. So if you want to get into YouTube just because you saw few people who made big on this channel, then think again, because it is not that simple. You need to have lots of creative ideas, you need to script the videos, you need to shoot them properly, you should know the camera angle, the light setup, and on top of that you have to edit your videos, so you should have the knowledge of editing softwares. So lots of things go behind publishing single quality video. You might get a little help here and there, but you will be your own boss and you need to be motivated all the time. I'm not scaring you, but I am preparing you for the tough task that happens for creating every single video. Like I had absolutely no idea regarding the camera angles, the light setup and everything, and I had sleepless nights watching tutorials how to edit the videos on different softwares. So that is the reason I feel it is very important that you should have that mindset, that passion, that hunger to create content, and that is how you will be able to sustain on this YouTube platform. I don't think I need to tell you that how saturated YouTube is and there are millions of content creators on this platform. So there is already a lot of competition. So you need to think how you can get out there and how people can see your content. So you need thick skin. But if you think that you have that mindset, that passion, that hunger, then this is definitely an amazing career for you. I absolutely love it. So go for it if you have that mindset. Next important point is to just start and stop procrastinating. So now that you have finally decided to give YouTube a go, then it is time to stop overthinking and just start it, because no amount of preparation will make it perfect for you in the beginning. For every new YouTuber, the first 10 to 20 videos are always below average or average, and only after they keep on creating the content, the video quality improvises. That happened with me. Like if you see my previous videos, my first few videos, and if you see the quality of my video now, there is a major difference. Don't think that you need to have that perfect camera and perfect lighting in the beginning. Just shoot with whatever you have. It can be as basic as a phone camera, because nowadays I think all the smartphones have amazing cameras. It really works equally well. So just start with that and slowly, gradually improvise on each video. And regarding editing the videos for the first time, there are many beginner friendly free softwares that are available in the market. You can learn the tutorials on YouTube. So just a basic editing knowledge is required and you are good to go. Just start it. Although you should just start with creating the videos. A little planning always helps, which brings me to my next point, which is having at least a minimal planning. So when I started, I had this initial plan of my first video, which was regarding my move from Mumbai to Belgium. And while I was shooting this video, I already had the idea for my next video, which was regarding setting up my home in Belgium. and so on. And I think I went very well till my fourth video, and then I was totally blank and out of ideas, and that led to a big gap in my uploading schedule, and that is really bad on YouTube because YouTube algorithm expects consistency from all the YouTubers. So I think because now you're on YouTube completely, it becomes your responsibility to have some ideas, if not concrete, at least have tentative ideas of your upcoming videos, and that will really help you set the pace. Take out time, like sit one day for a couple of hours and jot down all the ideas that come into your mind, and then sort it out, filter it out, and you will have your plan ready for your upcoming videos. So initially I used to do that on pen and paper, but recently I shifted to Notion, which is an amazing planner online. So I write down all the ideas, scripts there, execution date, publish date, so it really helps me. So it has been a couple of months now, and because of all the planning, I'm able to upload consistently on YouTube. And because of all this planning, I got the results and I was monetized on YouTube. So those of you who don't know, to become eligible for monetization, you need to have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours of the last 12 months, which is a very tough thing to achieve, but it is very much possible if you're consistent on YouTube. So plan well. So set your target, how many times a week you can upload. It can be once, twice, thrice, like whatever your capacity is. Personally for me, I upload once a week. That works well for me. So stick to your schedule and you will see results in no time. Next point is knowing the topic and niche of your YouTube videos. So everything comes around the topics and the niche that you want to create videos on and expect people to see them. So I feel it becomes very important that you absolutely love that topic, because you're going to spend significant amount of time researching on that topic, talking about that topic, shooting that topic. So if you don't like it, then I'm pretty sure that by the fourth or fifth video you will start hating YouTube. Second important point is that your topic should provide value to the audience, because if not for that, why will people waste their precious time watching your videos? So it can be the informative, factual, some tutorials, advice, like anything else which will help your viewer. My channel, for example, focuses on expat living in Belgium, traveling around Europe, and food recipes. I absolutely love learning new and different things about Belgium, where I live as an expat, and I share that information with my audience, like the cost of living here, the renting apartment procedure, and everything else which expats should know when they shift to Belgium. And through this information, I'm providing value to the audience. I love traveling, so I make videos sharing how to travel to different places in Europe, things to do in those cities. So that way I'm helping the audience to plan their trips as well in those different cities. And lastly, I love food, so I try to create different dishes, and through my videos I'm able to share recipes. So I make sure that each of my videos provides some value or the other to the audience. And only sometimes, like once in 3 or 4 months, I make a casual vlog sharing my personal life update with the audience to have a better connect. So it is all about balancing the content on your channel. So make sure that you absolutely love the topic on which you are creating the videos, and also that your videos provide value to the audience. Next point is regarding the tools, gears, and the softwares to use to make a video. So it is absolutely not necessary to have a fancy camera. You can shoot with your phone camera. All the smartphones nowadays have excellent camera which works really well to shoot any kind of video. You can do the big investment on camera later when you have some success on YouTube. So don't worry about spending on that first. Regarding other tools like the lighting, the tripod, reflector, and small other things, they don't cost a fortune, and it is a really good idea to invest in them because they improvise the quality of your video. Like I have a very budget friendly setup for my videos, the tripod and light and reflector and everything. So if you want to know what tools I use to shoot my videos, then I have added all the affiliate links in the description box below. You can check them out. You can also check these tools and gears on my website where I've added the pictures of them, so it will be easy for you to buy them. Now, apart from shooting the video, the other major chunk of your time will be spent on editing the videos. So you should have the knowledge of editing softwares. So if you are a new YouTuber, then don't worry because there are many beginner friendly softwares that are available in the market. So I started with Shotcut, which is very easy. I learned some tutorials on YouTube, and when I got a hang of it, I shifted to a little complicated software called DaVinci Resolve. and I just love that software. It is amazing. So don't worry about complicated softwares in the beginning. Just start with the beginner friendly ones and you will get all kinds of tutorials on YouTube. YouTube is an institution in itself, so you will learn everything there. That is how I learned editing my videos. And once you're comfortable, then you can shift to the fancy editing softwares because they provide better features like color grading and lots of other things. If you're an Apple user, then everyone knows Final Cut Pro is the main editing software. You have to spend $300 and you will get lifetime access to this software, and it is a great investment for those who want to do YouTube as a full-time career. Initially it took me almost a week to edit a single video, but now I am pretty much comfortable and I am able to edit in a day or two. So don't worry, in the beginning you will get a hang of it. Next point is to make sure that your videos have good watch time session, plus taking care of your thumbnail and title. Make sure that you edit videos in such a way that the videos are crisp and to the point. If you add boring, useless footage in the video, then people will just skip it, and that sends the message to the YouTube algorithm that your video is not good enough and it won't be pushed further. That is the case, then your channel won't get recognized. So please make sure that each minute counts. It is valuable and very important, and people stick to watching it. At the end of the day, YouTube wants people to stay on their platform for as long as possible, and if your videos don't do that, then why will YouTube promote your channel? Take efforts to make each of your video watch worthy. Now that you're confident and you know that your video is full of value, people still won't know that it is a great video if your title and thumbnail is not attractive enough. Thumbnail is the packaging of your video, like the nice shampoo or cream bottle with beautiful packaging which attracts the customer. So make sure that you have a very attractive and nice thumbnail. I make my thumbnails on this software called Canva. So it is a free software and very nice. I've added the link for Canva in the description box below. You can check that out. But at the same time, you should make sure that your thumbnail does not mislead the people. You may think that you can create a very clickbaity thumbnail, but if the content in the video is not relevant as per the thumbnail, then that can have a negative impact on your channel's growth. So be very careful with that. And along with thumbnail, even title is extremely important, which describes what your video is all about. Take this video for example, which you're watching. So you came here because you saw in the thumbnail that I've added the YouTube symbol, and I've also mentioned the year 2022, and the title also describes how you can create a YouTube channel in 2022. So both my thumbnail and title are clear enough for the audience to understand what this video is going to be about. Another important point is music. I think it is very important. It adds life to any kind of video. So those of you who don't know, you cannot use any kind of music for your YouTube videos because you will get copyright issues. So there are many websites which provide the non-copyrighted music which you can use for your videos, and there is also YouTube audio library which you can access for free and use the music from there. I used to do that initially, but I did not like the music that much, so I shifted to Epidemic Sound, where I pay the yearly subscription and get amazing music for all my videos. So I definitely think it is worth the investment. If you want to try it for yourself, then I've added the referral link in the description box below, and using this link you will be able to access Epidemic Sound for 1 month totally free of cost. So definitely give it a try. You are going to love it. Last but not the least is to have patience on YouTube. It takes time to grow a new channel on YouTube. You need to have patience because it cannot be overnight success. You need to create hundreds of good quality videos to expect any kind of result because YouTube is saturated. It is full of competition. So rather than stressing on checking the YouTube subscribers and checking the YouTube analytics all the time, put your energy in creating amazing content which people will love rather than stressing on the numbers, and success will definitely follow. With this, we have come to the end of the video, and I really hope that you found this video useful and motivating enough for you to start a YouTube channel, and I really hope that you find success on this platform. So all the very best, and if you like this video, then please give it a big thumbs up and share it with all the aspiring YouTubers. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.